Welcome. Today we are going to be exploring how to create a coloring page on Canva. Yes, it is possible. Some of those worksheets that we use in the classroom, like coloring page, you want the children to color in the classroom, it is possible for you to create them on your phone, then transfer to your system and print out right away. So let's go to the workspace as we start exploration right away. Welcome back. So remember the application once again. You download it on Play Store, called Canva. So when I get to my Canva, the first thing I will do is to click on the plus sign down here. When I click on the plus sign, I will look for the exact size I'm going to be using. You can use the Pinterest sign template, or you come down to poster, flyer, any of those sizes. You are fine with them. So let's start the exploration right away. Remember, the name of the school is meant to be on top of your workbook for originality's sake. Name, I need a line. I'll get a line under illustration. What do I really want to use the line for? Let me first make it black. Okay, the child is going to be writing. Name is going to be on one, and class. Okay, plus sign, text, name, and date. I think these two information is fine. Then I will start with my, so far the school logo is there, and you don't really need any other thing at all. School logo simply means that it belongs to the school. So I can just bring in, so far it's going to be printed in black and white, so I won't disturb myself. I'll just make everything black and white. So I'll click on the plus sign, come to illustration, then click on the word. Maybe I'm talking about A for apple to sound. So apple. Now it's going to bring colored one. So you are going to write there, outline apple. So it's going to bring the one that is what outline. So you can actually choose any one. If they are not, if you want it to be very bold like this, you can actually choose this, and I'll use my black one. Text apple, then font, and look for a comic font. Comic. Yep, this is fine. Then I swipe to the next page. From there, I can create a lot. Going to advanced class, and maybe you want to create time. Let's check time. Maybe they even have time. Maybe they even have clock in Canva. I want to click on the word duplicate. To duplicate this file, let's click over here. Stop. Is it not here? Okay. Okay. Click on the number below. Then click on this duplicate. Then I will click on the second one. Delete the content. Delete the content. Let's check whether they have clock. Maybe you want to work on clock. Okay, oh, I think I'm on template. Yep. Okay, this is not bad at all. They have a lot of them. They have a lot of them that you can use for these students. If it is number two, number, outline, go in one outline. Number one outline. Okay, seeing one, a lot of them over here. A lot, lot, lot of them. So as much as possible, I would like you to give this a try. You can create your workbook over here. Just if you are dedicated and then you want to make things work, things can work with your phone. So just click on the arrow going on, which means download. Click on save as. Remember to save it as PNG, PDF print, not PNG, PDF print. When you save it as PDF print, it's going to come as a PDF file. Then from that PDF file, when you get your printer, you can just give it to them, or you do it by yourself and it will print out immediately. So this is what I've printed out. I've actually done this, and maybe let me send it to myself on WhatsApp so that you can see. Sending it to my second number, and this is it. I want to open it with WPS. Then you see what I've actually done. The page 1, page 2, then I did not do anything in page 3. So I'd like you to give this a try. I'll be right back with more videos on how to use Canva. Thank you very much. Bye.